The Immaculates.
You pussies ain't gangsta, you niggas ain't street. You only bought that gun cause you scared of the beef. Niggas hop out on feet and make the crime scene nasty. My mafia shoot to kill, your niggas shoot like fuck I had. I got kicked out in 7th grade, pistol in the classroom. Since a little nigga, I been doing what I had to. I was toting pillies way before I clicked up. Now got a mob full of killers that'll pull and let it buck. I be reppin', rockin' the logo, defeated cat match the polo. Riding solo with that same Glock, Smith and Wesson 4-0. Chopping on my Sprint phone, mouth full of cavi. Spitting out rocks, putting cash where the stash be. Broke ass niggas always trying to get a deal. Heartless ass niggas always talking about they kill. When the truth is that they homies don't even think they real. And probably be the reason that them niggas get killed. I can stand on my own too. You are not a man. I'm influenced by the money in the pockets of my pants. Understand, you are not a gangster. You are not street. And you only got that pistol cause you scared of the beat. Pussies ain't gangsta, you niggas ain't street. You only bought that gun cause you scared of the beef. Niggas hop out on feet and make